Here I've got Apple iPhone 11 and let me show you how to reset keyboard dictionary on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and pick General. Now scroll down one more time and pick Reset. And here you will notice Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Simply click on this switcher and confirm that you would like to delete all custom words you have typed on the keyboard, returning the keyboard dictionary to the factory defaults. Click on Reset Dictionary and just wait a couple of seconds. And I believe that's it. This is how you can simply reset keyboard dictionary. Now you can go back to your messages and write them with the default settings. So that's basically all. This is how you can reset keyboard dictionary in iPhone 11. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.